Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my prelims reasoning strategy for all the banking and insurance exam, and before that I would like to show you my prelims scorecard for reasoning section which I gave this year. So let's get started. So in our RBPO prelims I scored 37.25 marks out of 40, and this was my score in reasoning. Then moving to the next RRB Clerk prelims, I scored 40 out of 40 in the reasoning section again. Then moving to the another section IBPS PO prelims, I scored a bit less, only 22.29 marks, but still this was decent. Now moving to IBPS Clerk prelims, I scored 31 out of 35, which is not that bad. So these were my scorecards for reasoning section. Now I'll talk about the strategy which I followed. So in reasoning section, it consists of two subsections, that is puzzle and seating arrangement, and another one is miscellaneous. In puzzles and seating arrangement, there are two levels, easy and tricky one. In easy, we get floor based puzzle, box based puzzle, some circular based, uncertain puzzle, and designation based puzzle. So these are very time saving puzzles. We can do it very fast and it saves us a lot of time, so that we can use that save time in solving the tricky questions, tricky puzzles, and other sections also. Then in miscellaneous section, we have some scoring topics like silogs, direction distance, inequality, coding decoding, order ranking, one-liner miscellaneous like alphanumeric series, some number-based questions, etc. So these are very scoring, and we cannot afford to miss even single topic from this section. And then comes some risky and tricky topics like blood relation, which is always risky, and you should not ever start your paper with the blood relation. No matter how strong you are in this section, still first try to solve easy questions only to boost your confidence, to gain easy marks from here and there. Then go with the blood relation and other cumbersome topics. So now next I will tell you about the attempting sequence of the reasoning section for prelims exam. So in first round, whenever the reasoning section opens up, what you have to do is mark for review all the doable puzzles and all the one-liner miscellaneous questions which are asked. And mind you that only mark the first question of the puzzles. Like in puzzle, we get 5 questions per puzzle. You have to only mark the first question, so you don't uh, purple the section and you don't get confused. So simultaneously, while you are marking for review the doable puzzles and one-liner miscellaneous, you have to solve the scoring section topics like silogs, inequality, coding decoding, direction distance. You can simultaneously solve these questions, so you don't have to take out some extra time for only marking. So this comprises of first and second round, and in third round you have to pick the doable puzzle first. Identify your strong area, your strong puzzle, like some are strong in box based or designation based puzzles, and some are strong in circular based puzzles, uncertain puzzles, etc. So suit yourself, pick one in which you are very strong, in which you are confident, and start with that puzzle only, and then simultaneously prioritize your questions. So this sums up all the sections, and in last 1 to 2 minutes you cannot solve any puzzles. So what you can do is solve the one liner miscellaneous questions, which will give you edge. Now some quick tips. First one is mark for review doable puzzles and solve the scoring section questions on the go. This step is simultaneously you have to do. Don't bifurcate it. Now the second step is don't take any question on your ego and leave it. Don't get stuck on any question. If it takes more than 2 minutes, leave it then and there. And prelims is all about time and speed, because we only get 20 minutes for solving this section. And there will be moments when the question you are strong on might be difficult to solve. So don't take it personally. Move on and give your best. You don't have to prove yourself, because you need to score in this section. Now lastly, I'll be talking about the sources which I followed for the prelims section. First of all, Sanjay sir, I used to follow his exam based prelims marathon. He takes for all prelims like IBPS PO prelims, Clerk prelims, SBI PO prelims, etc. And for the conceptual clarity, you can watch his one shot videos, and you can watch it one or two times maybe, and then you'll be done with the video, and all you need to do is just practice from any free resources or paid resources. And second, you have to give sectional mocks. These are very important, especially if you want to increase your speed, and if you want to improve your accuracy, you have to practice sectional mocks, because these help you to identify or rectify your errors more productively. You can follow Adda 247 platform. I used to solve some questions. I think they provide free questions daily for reasoning, English, quants, etc. So practice from there. Then there is Guidely or SmartKid, etc. And I want to mention that I'm not promoting or advertising Guidely. It's just that I used Guidely bundle PDF, so I am telling you my experience. If you are practicing from Guidely bundle PDF, then there are many questions for prelims practice. Solve the easy level questions with PDF, and don't jump with the mock test itself. First, practice with the PDF only. Try to solve all the questions and let it take as much time as it can, because you have to improve your accuracy first. And if you see that you are getting good at it, then slowly increase your level and start solving the mock test format with timing. So it will improve your speed also. So now with this process, you are working in both ways, like you are improving your accuracy, and at the same time you are improving your speed, which is very much needed in the prelims exam. So this sums up my strategy for the prelim section of reasoning. And if you have any doubt regarding my strategy or anything, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be answering all of that. And please tell me what video should I make next. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.